Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use FreshBooks. It's a popular accounting and invoicing tool for freelancers and small businesses, and it is useful for tracking time, invoices, and payments. So, what you will have to do is, of course, log into your account, and once you've logged in, the dashboard will automatically, of course, appear on your screen. So, it should look like this. So, anyway, if you want to add clients, you will just have to go to the client section, so it should be right here, so right here on the left panel, as you can see on the screen. So you will just have to click that, and then you will click new client, and then enter the name, email, and details, and then just save. And if you want to create an invoice, you will just have to go to the left sidebar as well, and then you will see this option right here, which is invoices. So just go ahead and click that, and then click new invoice, and then you will select client, add lines, items, quantity, and rates, and then you could preview and send if you want. And then after that, you could also, track time and expenses by clicking time tracking and add time entry and choose project, and then click save. And for expenses, you can go to expenses, which is right here on the left sidebar as well. So basically everything that I've just mentioned, you can find them on your left sidebar. So yeah, so once you go to expenses, just click add expense and then save. And if you want to monitor the reports, you can go to the report section, and so it should be on the bottom of the left sidebar as well. And you will just have to click that and then select the type, which is either profit and loss, expense reports, or whatsoever. And then of course you could export if needed and analyze the cash flow. And yeah, that's how you can use FreshBooks. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.